Hello and welcome to the worldwide premiere of Open Alpha's newest release, Wishy Washy. My name is Ben Hyde and I'll be your host as we walk through a peek into the development of Open Alpha's first game. Wishy Washy is a 2D pixel art game about cleaning windows in a city full of disasters. Nuclear meltdowns, giant squid attacks, and an aerial assault from a flying spaghetti monster have left the city in need of a deep clean, and you're the one to do it. You'll follow the game's protagonists as they fulfill requests to clean the city's windows, making swift and precise movements to get the job done before the next disaster strikes. Open Alpha itself is a USC School of Cinematic Arts affiliated club dedicated to the design and creation of awesome games by awesome people. The name is a reference to the alpha stage of game development. In this stage, the game has all of the features and mechanics that will be implemented in the final game, but not necessarily all of the levels, art, or sound assets. This inaugural cohort found the Open Alpha family with 18 members, and each one of us has put so much effort into this game and grown a lot closer as a result. Today, we'll be taking a peek into the making of Wishy Washy, as well as giving you a brief glimpse of some gameplay footage before you get to jump in and try it yourself. With that, let's head over to our lead designer John as he talks about Wishy Washy's growth from concept to reality.
Hi, my name is John. I was OA's First Games design team lead. Doing this for the first time, I also learned, just how many creative decisions there are behind every little aspect of a game.
Now we'll hear from Owen Mack, our programming lead, about what it took to get this game up and running.
Hi, my name is Owen and I'm the lead developer for Wishy Washy. To create this game, we're using Unity as our game engine and GitHub so that everyone can work on different parts of the game at the same time. A lot of times it's really frustrating because you add something and then something else that feels completely unrelated just breaks. We've had instances where we add a new mechanic and suddenly everything turns pink, or we add a new light source and suddenly the arms are gone. Luckily, we have an incredibly talented team of programmers who are always helping each other out. I've learned that making a great game is not about having a ton of coding expertise or being really proficient at Unity. It's really about surrounding yourself with great people who have creative ideas and making sure everyone is passionate and communicating effectively.
Now we'll hear from Lee, the narrative lead, about the writing and story building that went into Wishy Washy.
Hi, I'm Leanna Albanese. I'm the narrative lead for Wishy Washy. I am mostly doing this solo. I've been working very collaboratively with other people, but a lot of the writing in the game is my own work. So it's just a matter of identifying what other people need and then identifying the best way to accomplish that goal. And that can be done remotely pretty easily. So it didn't really affect me. I didn't mind it.
Next, we'll talk to Masato, one of the art leads, about creating the designs and animations for the game's beautiful art.
Hello, my name is Masato Lin, and I was the lead artist for Wishy Washy. So we would have a few people work on the background, some people would work on like the shop area, some people would work on icons, and some people would work on characters. We usually use pixel.com for the software. We kind of try to use a more desaturated or normalized color palette for the main character to kind of show his solidarity and the tone of loneliness. We have kind of a mix of moments of like loneliness and solidarity and having kind of like a chill vibe throughout the game, while also mixing in a few funny and kind of wacky moments throughout the game, but not having it overwhelm the player.
Next up is Austin, talking about the process of creating the sound assets and composition pieces for the wonderful soundtrack of Wishy Washy.
Hi, my name is Austin Hammonds. I am head of sound and lead composer for Open Alpha. I myself work in Pro Tools and Logic. Logic has superior MIDI editing compared to Pro Tools, but Pro Tools has the superior audio editing. Closing thoughts, it was an absolute blast to be a part of Open Alpha and to work together as a team to create such an awesome game. I hope you enjoy the experience, and I hope you enjoy the music.
Next, we'll hear from Kelly about what it took to keep this team running and other aspects of production throughout the semester.
Hi. So production team's main focus was to bringing people together. We used various tools such as Azure DevOps, Slack, GitHub, and Discord app to collaborate and streamline the communication and development process, keeping team members well informed while making sure everyone's voice was heard was very much important factor to project success. While not losing focus on the entire picture of the project.
Seems like we'll be heading over to a familiar face to hear about the documentation efforts for the game. Hey everyone, my name is Ben Hyde. I'm the documentation lead and producer on Wishy Washy. In terms of activity photos, those are just anything from screenshots of meetings or pictures of events we hold, like playtesting. Also just our retreat and any fun like board game nights we have also get thrown in there. In terms of getting our game published to Steam, which we realized it would be super cool. So Sam on the team did some amazing work, but most of my joy has come in seeing all these incredibly talented people work together through a maelstrom of information and come out of it with a really, really awesome product that I've been super excited watching it grow, and I'm sure all of you will have a great time playing it. And now what you've all been waiting for, here's a look at some gameplay footage from Wishy Washy.